For today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to use the brush tool. The brush tool in Photoshop is often used in digital illustration, creating storyboards, and digital painting. Your brush is located in this part of your Tools panel. If you long press over your brush tool, you will see your brush tool, your pen tool, color replacement, and the mixer brush tool. Let's first try to use the brush tool. If you look on top of your menu bar, you will be able to adjust your brush. This includes your brush size and what type of brush you like to use. By adjusting the slider on top, you can adjust the size of your brush, its opacity, and type. You can adjust the color of your brush tool by changing the foreground color. You can use your soft brushes. These brushes are often used to color blurred out edges and to use a more realistic approach to digital painting. You can also make use of hard brushes. These are often used in sketching and doing storyboards or illustrations in Photoshop. Now let's try to use the pencil tool. The pencil tool is quite the same with the brush tool, but it only tends to appear harder like a pencil stroke. Let's try to compare using the brush tool versus the pencil tool. Now let's use the mixer brush tool. This tool is used to mix two color pigments together. This is often used in digital painting in mixing colors, as if you are using real paint. You can also click your brush settings to further modify your brushes specifically. You can adjust it according to your preferences, add noise and grains, and its spacing. Explore your brush tools more and see the many ways you can use it.